singles pact na ito na pinag-uusapan, what is it? I love that line. There was a quote there that said, they must love us.
As much as we love ourselves.
As much as we love ourselves.
Alam mo, true story doon dito. Si makeup artist, si Marvin.
Si Marvin na naman.
Si
Okay.
Marvin. Sabi
Si
ko
Marvin
sa kanya,
talaga dito.
a good
principal
character sa friendship na to.
Okay.
Isang beses nung ni-makeupan niya ako, sabi ko sa kanya, sabi ko, bakit single ka pa rin? Ilang taon na? Ba't walang natutuloy sa mga dinidate mo? Tapos, seryosong sagot lang sabi niya, tay, kasi hindi nila ako, walang nakakapantay ng pagmamahal ko sa sarili ko.
This is Marvin talking?
Yes.
Okay.
Tapos nag-stick sa akin yun. Tinranslate ko lang sa English.
Tapos sabi niya,
Sabi ko, sakto sa pinagdadaanan.
tapos sabi niya, sis, okay ba?
Sabi ni Heaven, pagbasa niya, okay, pasok. Yes, let's go. Kinapin na namin.
So ngayon, ang estado ng inyong buhay, kayo ba'y nag-aantay? Kayo ba'y naghahanap?
We're just happy. We're happy.
Empowered women. I mean, you know,
Yeah.
you're just happy. But you're not looking for
Not looking
any.
for it. But if it comes, very welcome.
A man wouldn't complete us,
Oo
right?
naman. Pero
I'm sorry,
hindi
ulit.
kailangan.
A man would never complete me.
That's
Or
right.
us.
Tama naman.
Yeah.
Because you come into a relationship buo.
Exactly.
Tama.
Hindi
And-
perfecto, pero buo.
Hindi.
Late lang
perfect,
natutunan,
buo.
but-
Let's do fast talk.
Let's go.
Mikey, diwata, mandirigma.
Diwata!
Sweet love, intense love.
Sweet.
Loyal friend, honest friend.
Honest.
Ex as a friend or ex as a stranger.
Stranger.
Forgive, forget.
Forgive.
Yes or no? Konsentidor na kaibigan.
No.
Yes or no? Makikipagbalikan sa ex.
No.
Yes or no? May dinidate ngayon.
No.
Heaven, heaven or earth.
Heaven on earth.
Beautiful face or sexy body.
Pwede bang both?
Pwede. Forgive or acceptance.
Forgive.
Makapal na kilay, makapalay ng mukha.
Makapal na mukha.
Yes or no? Pasaway na kaibigan.
Yes.
Yes or no? Pinormahan ng taken.
Lagi
Lagi.
naman.
Yes or no?
Man, I hate men.
May dinidate ngayon. Both. Mas, para sa inyo, mas mabilis ma-fall.
Both.
Mas mabilis malasing. Mas magaling magbigay ng love advice.
Both.
Mas clingy.
Wala.
Wala.
Mas iyakin. Mas lapitin.
Wow!
Mas magastos.
Yes! Ito.
Mas maganda.
Galing!
Is that
We
lights
never
on or lights
compete.
off?
On.
Ako, off muna, wala pa.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolates right now.
Sana may happy.
Best time for chocolates and happiness.
Anytime talaga eh.
Anytime talaga.
Sige, let's do this. Message to your future partner. What is it? He's there. Sige nga. Who goes first?
Tingin na lang.
Ikaw, Heaven.
I guess my message would be, I hope you're the one.
Wow. And he will be the one. Say it and it happens, sabi ko. Alam mo itong nakakatuwa, na when you had that breakup kay Paul, there were speculations na, ay, ang third party, si Heaven.
I saw that,
Diba?
yeah.
You saw that. And then, meron din mga nagsasuggest na, baka naman ang magkatuluyan itong dalawang ito. Diba? I also read that. Na parang, I have a wrong understanding of the Pinky Swear or something. Marami pang mga comments. Ito ang tanong, diretsa. Mikey, Heaven, are you in a romantic relationship? Yes or no ang sagot. Sa magbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abuela.